Okay, part 3 today. So I had about 20 messages from clients yesterday with the new laws that are being passed in Queensland. So many people are losing their jobs. Many people are looking at the world around them and wondering what's going to be for them over the next few years. And I suppose I've had 20 months of watching what's been going on and delving into it and paying attention and seeing. And I think a lot of people, it's literally been the last week or 2 or 3 or 4 where they've gone, holy moly, life's going to change. So with that in mind, the changing life, I think we forget in this here and now the power that we have within. We forget in this here and now the strength that we have to harness. So about a year ago, I decided that if I needed to sleep in a tent on my cousin's lawn in order to live the life that I choose, that I would do it. So that's just one decision that I have made, and I have been preparing for that for 18 months. Many people aren't in that same position, and I think now, for those who are choosing to stay sovereign and to stay true to their beliefs and to look at what's going on, and those people who are starting to think, maybe this isn't about, are starting to look into things. They're starting to pay attention, and they're starting to realise that there's more to life than just having what the government allows us to have. So I was doing a balance this morning for one of my friends, and this particular flower essence showed up. It's called a Phedra. It's a desert flower, so I'm going to do that for us. So part 4 coming up.